Hey everyone, today I'm going to talk about how to merge or combine layers in Procreate. It's very easy to do, and there's two methods you can do it with. So the first method is to go to your layers, and you're basically going to squeeze the layers together with your finger and your thumb and pick the layers you want to squeeze together. So maybe I want to do these bottom three, let's say layer 1, layer 3, and D. So I'm going to grab them with my thumb and my finger, squeeze them together, and then as you can see, it doesn't always work sometimes. So you have to kind of do it kind of fast, and then they merge into one layer. Now there is an easier way to do this. I can just go to the thumbnail of the layer, tap it, near the bottom, it'll say merge down. So it just merged it with the layer below. And then I can take this combination of layers and say merge down. Now you may have noticed there's also something that says combine down. If I can combine down, I'm not merging layers. I'm taking the layer that I chose combine down on and the layer below it and putting them into a group, which is another useful feature, but it's not merging them together into one layer. So there you have it, 2 ways to merge layers together. Hope you found this video useful. If you do, please subscribe so you don't miss another tutorial in the future. And thanks for liking this video, ringing that bell, and I'll see you next time.